is up, everyone? Today, as you can see, there's no Richie. He's stuck at work, so me and Joe are going to take over the beginning part of this video. But today, we are going over to Cervini warehouse, and we are going to pick up Joe's cowl hood. It's a 4-inch cowl hood, which is high, but it's going to look so sick. I got to go inside, change, I'm going to pick up Joe. We're going to hop back in the Colorado, the little truck that could. We're going to take it about an hour and 45 minutes. It's out in deep in Jersey, but we're going to go out there, we're going to pick it up, and then later on in the week, we're going to install it. So we'll get back to you once we're back on the road. A little excessive, but I think we're all right.
Yeah, I think we would have been good with just the fucking one strap.
Too much? Never hurt nobody. But let's do it. Now let's go home and look at it.
I can't wait.
Alright, so we just got back to Joe's house. Traffic, horrible. That was a horrible drive home, but we're gonna get this baby unstrapped. We're gonna get it unloaded. We're gonna bring it into his basement and then open up the box. Let's get it.
I can't stop. Ah, yeah, that's it. That's fucking sick, though. Wow. Oh, it's gonna change the whole front end of the car.
Yo, the paint job is nice.
Ridiculous, right?
Look how flaky it is.
I know. And that's literally how the sterling gray looks, too.
Alright guys, it's a couple days later now. James and Joe picked up the hood. It's a cowl hood for a 2014 Mustang. We're all from work and we could install it. This is Joe, the owner of the car. Say hi. How you doing?
I know.
But we're gonna get to the install. It's a fairly easy install. All we gotta do is really just take this off. The hardest part is aligning it and making sure the gaps on both sides are even. Other than that, we're good to go. So first, before anything, we're gonna take off the stock hood. It's easy, it just has 2 latches on both sides with probably 2 bolts on each side. I haven't looked at it yet, but that's what I remember. Let's see. Yeah, 2 bolts right here, and it comes right out.
So now we gotta take this under panel off in order to get the nozzle line out.
It's for the windshield.
Wipe the fluid now.
Yeah. So next up, what James is doing is he pulled these pliers out because he already dropped a couple of clips down in the engine bay. You happy about that?
No, not really.
Yeah, if you hear rattling, it's rod knock.
So yeah, there's a couple of clips right up here. As you see, we just take those out. We'll take this, and then right underneath will be the windshield wiper clips, the lines, and you just unclip that and the hood will come off. So as you see over here, these are the lines for the windshield wiper fluid. It's attached into the hood. Pretty much just pull it out.
I got this side.
And it goes down into the reservoir right here, but you just leave it from here on. You just let it hang on to the engine, because all you really need is for it to get off the hood, just so you can disconnect the hood.
Joe, hold the front.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, just took off the old hood. Now the new hood is right here. We've never even seen it. You want to take everything out and take the white off like now? Do it now before we get over there.
Yeah, we're not going to take the whole box.
That changes your whole foot. This is a 4-inch Cowl Cervini hood. Changes the whole front of your car. Do you have a Mustang? What's your opinion?
It's fucking insane.
Yeah, from the side it looks even more nuts.
Yeah,
I know.
Really
Wow.
sick. Changed the whole car, bro.
It really does. Wait, sit in it, sit in it. Let's see how it looks inside.
Oh my god, you can't see shit.
Get the fuck out of
Bad
here.
high.
You can't see nothing, bro. That's I gotta raise the seat or something. That's nuts. I actually like
Like James just said too, when installing any hood on a 13 or 14 Mustang, yeah, on any car in general, but you always gotta check the gaps and make sure they're even. It looks like this has to get shifted more to the right. So what we do is pretty much you loosen the bolts, you shift it, and then you tighten the bolts again. You'll see the gap change. But you can tell because you see how tight it is up here, and then it gets wide. That's how you can tell that it has to be shifted over.
Oh yeah, it definitely closes.
Oh
it.
wow!
I think that's
Holy
perfect.
shit! No, it's perfect.
That's perfect. Little
Damn, dude. That looks so sick, though.
So now we got it aligned. Now we gotta put that back in. That's what locks it. And then just the nozzles.
Then we're ready to go.
Yeah, that's it.
All right, so we gotta take the hinge off of the stock one, which are these two bolts right here. Once you take that off, you connect it on the aftermarket hood, and it should be able to close perfectly because they're made to align to each other the exact same way as a stock hood would. All right, so this weather strip, we just took it off the stock hood. Thank God James has this tool, because if not, we would have probably broke all these. But pretty much just snap them all out, and you go to these holes. Cervini does a good job of copying the holes and not letting you drill stuff out. So what James is doing, can't really see from back there, but he took the wire, ran it through the weather strip right here, and you see he cut open a opening right here for the nozzle. The nozzle's gonna connect right here. He's doing the same thing on the other side. Just cut open an opening, but on this side, we gotta actually use this strip to create one, because that side has the side of the reservoir, so it comes up, but this side we have to connect it. Alright, we installed everything. We're just gonna make sure the nozzles work and it does a good spray. We're gonna get choked on. Oh, you don't? There we go.
Now, do you think I wrapped the roof or not?
Wrap the roof? No.
Black. Or
This?
yeah.
Yeah, I don't like. No, leave that.
No, I'm not touching it, but I'm saying that.
Yeah, gloss black.
Gloss black.
Yeah, I like that. We're gonna clean up, and then we're gonna go for a wash. We're gonna do some rolling clips, take some cool videos. Then he said I could drive it home. That's the rule, you know. I do an install, I drive the car. You heard?
Of course, you heard?
It looks perfect.
They really match this paint beautifully, bro.
Yeah, they did. Look at
really
this.
did.
Look
It's
at it. Look at
insane.
this.
It's insane.
They must have like Ford's like actual code
Yeah, 100%.
for the paint.
He got a couple good ones. Woo! I need to get closer though.